Good morning, good morning, good morning, and happy Saturday to you all. It's January the 15th, 2022, and no shout outs today that I know of, and we'll get right down to the music. So the song I want to do today is a really beautiful ballad from 1970. It was a big hit for Brook Benton, one of the great soul singers of the 60s and 70s. Really a beautiful voice. And the song was written by Tony Joe White, of all people. Tony Joe White wrote Poke Salad Annie, Gator's Got Your Granny, and all that. And he wrote this tune, which, you know, it's a little surprising, but it's a beautiful song. For all you folks out there, from 1970, Rainy Night in Georgia. Hovering by my suitcase, trying to find a warm place to spend the night. Rain falling, seems I hear your voices calling. It's alright. Rainy night in Georgia, rainy night in Georgia. I believe it's raining all over the world. Signs are flashing, taxi cabs and buses passing through the night. Distant moaning of a train seems to play sad refrain to the night. Rainy night in Georgia, rainy night in Georgia. I believe it's raining. Oh, it's raining all over the world. How many times I've wondered, no, it still comes out the same. No matter how you look at it or you think of it, you just got to do your own thing. Do your own thing. Find me a place in a boxcar, take my guitar out to pass some time. Late at night when it's hard to rest, I hold your picture to my chest and I'm alright. It's a rainy night in Georgia. It's a rainy night in Georgia. I believe it's raining. Oh, it's raining all over the world. All over the world. Rainy night all over the world. That is the Tony Joe White ballad from Brook Benton and Rainy Night in Georgia. So hope you guys are having a good weekend and your Saturday is shaping up and rolling right into your good Sunday. It's football playoff weekend for those of you who are into that. I know that a lot of people are parked in front of the TV this weekend watching football, and there's not a bad thing to say about that. So you guys have a good time whatever you do, but stay safe and keep well and be kind and wear your mask and keep on the sunny side. We love you guys. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.